The 4,800 pounds per square inch electric pressure washer delivers a robust cleaning performance, capable of tackling even the toughest grime and dirt with ease. When designed for convenience, this lightweight unit is equipped with special wheels and a 25-foot-long hose, making it easy to maneuver and access hard-to-reach areas. With 5 quick-connect nozzles, including a soap nozzle, you have versatile options to adjust the water pressure for different cleaning tasks. The total stop system enhances energy efficiency by activating the washer only when the trigger is pressed, while the safety lock and overheating protection add an extra layer of security. The pressure washer is ideal for a variety of cleaning applications, such as washing cars, patios, and outdoor furniture, ensuring thorough and efficient results. Backed by professional customer service and a 12-month warranty, users can enjoy peace of mind knowing support is readily available for any queries or concerns.